Dear students, today we will start chapter number 7 from the window. On 17th May, Umana wrote in her diary that it is morning now. Last night I went to sleep early. It was too dark to see anything outside. When the train stopped early this morning, I woke up. It was Madgaon. That was written on the board at the platform. Appa said that we were going through the state of Goa. We got off at the station and had some hot tea and filled our water bottles. The train started again. I find it difficult to describe the scene outside. It is so beautiful. It is green everywhere, fields with great soil and green crops, hills covered with trees. Sometimes I can see small ponds and far away behind the hills more water. I cannot make out if it is a river or the sea. The air is cooler and not so dry as in Ahmedabad. The train passed a level crossing. People are waiting on both the sides of the crossing for the train to pass. There are buses full of people, cars, trucks, auto rickshaws, cycles, motorcycles, scooters, and even tangas and bullock carts with people and goods in them. Some people do not switch off the engines of the vehicles even while waiting at the level crossing. There is a lot of smoke and noise. I see some people going under the bars of the level crossing. How dangerous this is! At times, our train crosses another train. Unni and I tried to count the carriages in one such train, but both the trains were going so fast. We always got confused. Now, the question is, what was the difference in the scene that Omana saw from the train on the first day and on the second day? So, the answer is, on the first day, Omana was unable to see outside the window as it was too dark to see outside from the window. Weather was hot and dry. But on the second day, when Omana was at Madgaon, she observed beautiful green scenery, fields with red soil, green crops, and hills covered with the trees. Now let's move on to the second slide for the next question. Omana saw many kinds of vehicles at the level crossing. Which of them run on diesel or petrol? See, the answer is bus, cars, trucks, auto rickshaws, etc. run on diesel, while motorcycles, scooters, few cars run on petrol. Now the next question is, why was there so much smoke and noise from the vehicles at the level crossing? So the answer is, people did not switch off the engines of the vehicles while waiting at the level crossing. This leads to smoke and noise from the vehicles at the level crossing. Now the next question is, what can we do to reduce noise of the vehicles and save petrol and diesel? Discuss. We can switch off engines of vehicles while waiting at the level crossing or for signal. Regular servicing can also reduce noise of the vehicle and save petrol and diesel. Now let's move on to the next slide. Discuss. Sometimes people cross the tracks even when the crossing is closed. What do you feel about this? Dear students, crossing the railway track is very dangerous when the crossing is closed. No one should take this fatal risk. Okay? Now let's move on to the next paragraph. Later I was sitting near the window with my eyes closed. Suddenly, the sound of the moving train changed. Khud. I opened my eyes. Guess what I saw? Our train was crossing a very big river on a very long bridge. As it was crossing the bridge, it sounded very different. The wheels rattled as there was no ground, only the tracks and the water down below. When I first looked down, I felt giddy. It was really quite scary. The river down below was full of water and had some boats. I could also see some fishermen on the banks. I waved at them, but I did not know if they could see me. Alongside our bridge, there was another bridge for buses and cars. This was built differently from ours. I think going over our bridge was more adventurous. Now the question is, have you seen any bridges and where? Yes, I have seen Howrah Bridge. Now the next question is, have you ever crossed a bridge and where? Yes, I have crossed Howrah Bridge. What was the bridge built over? See, the bridge was built over the Hooghly River. Now the next question is, what did you see below the bridge? See, I observed River Hooghly, many boats and fishermen at the river bank. Now the last question is, find out why bridges are made. See, bridges are made to cross the river or sea, to make the traveling easier and less time consuming. I hope these questions are clear to you now. Part 2 of this chapter will be discussed in the next video. Thanks for watching.